Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to increase your Wi-Fi speed on Windows 11. If your internet feels slow while browsing, downloading, or gaming, these settings can help improve your connection. Let's get started. Step 1. Change your DNS server. First, open the Start menu. Type Control Panel and open it. Click on Network and Internet. Select Network and Sharing Center. On the left side, click Change Adapter Settings. Now locate your Wi-Fi adapter. Right-click Wi-Fi. Click Properties. Scroll down and select Internet Protocol version 4, TCP IPv4. Then click Properties. Now select Use the following DNS server addresses. You can use one of these DNS options. Google DNS Preferred DNS 8.8.8.8, Alternate DNS 8.8.4.4, or Cloudflare DNS, Preferred DNS 1.1.1.1, Alternate DNS 1.0.0.1. After entering the DNS addresses, click OK, then click Close. Step 2. Change Wi-Fi adapter performance settings. Now we're going to optimize your Wi-Fi adapter. Right-click Wi-Fi again. Click Properties. Select Configure. Go to the Advanced tab. Now adjust these settings. 2.4 GHz band, set to auto. 5 GHz band, set to auto. Next, find band selection and change it to 5 GHz only. The 5 GHz band is faster than 2.4 GHz, although it has a shorter range. Now find preferred band and set it to Prefer 5 GHz. After that, click OK. Your network adapter may restart for the changes to apply. Important note: if your Wi-Fi network disappears after changing the settings, it may mean that your router does not support 5 GHz. In that case, simply go back and change the settings back to their original values. Remember, 5 GHz equals faster speed. 2.4 GHz equals longer range. If you are close to your router, the 5 GHz band will give you the best performance. And that's it. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.